Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for the month of January down below so you can grab it. I want to go ahead and stuff $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $31, $32, $33 into my savings challenges today. Let's see here. We added some new savings challenges to this rotation. I believe we have an IOU. Let's take a peek. All right, there's our IOU right there, and we need to add $3. Alrighty, so let's take a peek here. Adding 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. And we're just going to take this $5 here, and we need to fill out this savings challenge because it is now completed. And should I add in another? I don't know. Let's see here. While we've got this cash, we need to get some change. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Five, 10, 15. Okay, so this savings challenge saved me 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22 big ones. Yay! That's pretty awesome. Let's set this off to the side. I'm not certain if it's in frame, and I'm trying to decide, should I add in another savings challenge? I think we'll just work on the ones we have right now, and then we will figure out what our next move is. First things first, let's grab my anime book. Now, what I've done is we've added the letter book savings challenges. I made mine pretty small because I was actually thinking about putting it in the A7. I want to use an A7 so bad. It's not happening for me. That's okay. But what I wanted to do was pull 3 bills. So we have B. I'm saving B, D, K, and E. Here's a K. And let's just see here. Do we have a D or an E? Whichever one I find first is what I'm working with. E. Okay. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to try to speed through this. Okay, that was a lot of work to save $3, but I really wanted to start my letterbucks. The letterbucks savings challenge is in fact available in our shop, so feel free to head over there and grab it. All right, and hopefully we're back in business. And what we'll do is I pulled my players cards. I think we'll just go ahead and put, okay, I don't remember if I pulled, let's just do it. Okay, so we're just gonna put 2 cards. Okay, so let's see what we've got. First one for our Christmas savings challenge. This one actually is the freebie that comes with the Christmas bingo, and we've got $2 here. Should I use a different color? All right, so we've got $2. All right. I don't know why that was so confusing. $2 more. into our winter melanin. $2 here. 1, 2. And hopefully we can do another round. Oh, I don't know. 4. And I said I wasn't going to pull another savings challenge for this one. Eek. Alright, I guess I'm pulling another savings challenge since I wasn't following my own rules. You have $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't listen. I don't even listen to me. Alright, so we have 2 misfortune flip again. So we have 3. And what did I do with the other cards? Oh, here they are. 2. Alright, so we've got $5 going into this savings challenge. Wowza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of moolah. Okay, maybe we're not making it another round. $2 into our coffee, please. 1, 2. All right, so the next one is supposed to be like a rolling save, but I'm going to do 3 and then 2. So we have 2 that we've completed because we're using the 2 and the 3, making it $5. And I'm going to either pull a card or roll the dice 26 times, and then this one will be completed. So I'm not running it, playing it the way the 26-week savings challenges normally go. We got a couple more dollars. So let's just flip 1, have $1 there, and next up, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh man. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. Okay. This is going to be interesting. And you know what? I'm so sorry. I didn't even count how much I'm putting in these savings challenges. Misfortune flip again. All right, let's see here. So that's a $2 misfortune, and I don't know how well this is gonna go. Come on, please, please, please. What do we got? $1. Okay, so $3. 3. I think we have $3 over there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes. No IOU. Do you see that? We took care of our IOU today, and we didn't get another one. So that's awesome. All right, I think I do want to run through really quickly with you and count up what we have saved in each challenge. All right, so the Christmas freebie that comes with the Christmas bingo has $3. My winter melanin has, as I throw her down on my lap, $2, $3, $4, $5. My coffee micros has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My Aquarius savings challenge has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. And my More Coffee Please has $2. Lastly, for the 26-week savings challenge, $5. So this savings challenge actually comes with this tracker. It comes with either, you can make it into an envelope or you can make it into an insert for your envelopes so you can track and save money. And you can do it so many different ways. Some people are saving the actual amount each week. So if you're on week 13, you save $13. Some people are choosing to, when they get to week 13, they do 1 plus 3, which is $4. And in my case, this time around, I'm just doing a roll and save, flip and save, or something where every time I choose a number, it will count as one of the 26 times that I am playing. And I'm going to leave her in there until she's completed. That one's going to take a while. But it's such a beautiful savings challenge. And do keep in mind, you guys, I did shrink mine down because I wanted mine smaller. But it does come in a larger format. I believe the envelopes are A6. So you can make it into just a specific binder itself, a 26-week binder, if you wanted to. It's really pretty. So, yeah. We've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges, you guys. So glad that I sat down to do this because, you know, we completed a savings challenge. And that one saves $5, $10, $15, $20, $21, $22. And I love to see it. The micro savings challenges come with 9. The micros come in the set of 9, and they're really cool for a roll and save. And then you saw me pull out my coffee savings challenges today. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.